Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new update in yeeps, like the chainsaw update. I'll flip. But let's hop right into it. I'll go meet you and Outpost. Yeah. Hey guys, we made it to Outpost. I'm going to buy that. Get the chains. Now it works though. Fire. Oh, you just cotton. I forgot to tell you about this new ball. Yeah, there's a ball right here. Yeah, probably know I'm talking about if you're a content creator. But what's that? I'll meet you there, I guess. Hey, so it's an actual official map. That means new buttcoins. Your construction site? Buttcoins? Oh. Oh, I see here. This is my code. That backward dash. There. There. One here. And after that one, there's one. Like right up here. Right here. Oh, yeah, you can like see a little bit. And there's one right down here. Right here. That's all the broken dishes? That's 5, right? All the added props is so different now. The added props and like vines make it. They changed this up so much. Still OG. This. What is this? Oh, I know that is porta potty. Yeah, they just like added props and like new builds. Stickers everywhere. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye.